Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you can hear me. I am currently in my van, fully loaded with all my belongings, or our belongings, and we are on our way to England. Time is 5:15 in the evening. I have my son with me, Calvin. Having fun? No. And we are on our way to the ferry port in Helsinki. It's only 30 minutes away. So it's 30 minutes there, then the ferry leaves at 9. And it gets to Germany. We're going from Helsinki to Germany. We get there on Monday night, like midnight time. So it's like 28-hour ferry ride. The rest of our belongings have gone on a pallet, a standard pallet. We've filled the pallet up as much as we can, 2.1 meters, 120 by 100. Hopefully it arrives. But yeah, we're on our way. It's happening. There's a whole year of planning and trying to sort everything out. Baby been born, just waiting, and we're on our way. It was very emotional leaving the in-laws. Obviously we've got two kids, so they've got 2 grandkids and not going to see as much anymore, so it's quite sad for them. On the flip side, my family are over the moon because they're going to see the kids more. Can't please everyone. So yeah, I'll keep you informed how it goes, and see you in a bit. Helsinki port. I didn't actually look at whereabouts I'm supposed to be, so try and guess by the signs. Passenger cars check in. Originally the ferry was supposed to leave at 5 PM, but it was delayed due to bad weather for 4 hours. So here we are. So the ferry departs at 9 PM. So yeah, originally it was 5 PM leave, delayed 4 hours due to bad weather. Last time I took this ferry, I was sick the whole way, so I have tablets this time, and hopefully my son won't get sick, because they don't do seasick tablets for kids under 12. How are you, Calvin? No. Be on the vlog?
No.
No? Okay. No problem. So, see you when we're going into the ferry. cabin, me and Calvin. Just had our dinner, haven't we? You eating your breadstick? So, 28-hour journey, and then we'll be in Germany, won't we? Maybe from Germany is a 8-hour drive down to Calais. Yeah, it's a suction pad. Boat. Okay, speaking of English. So yeah, 8-hour journey down to Calais, where we have the Channel Tunnel to the UK. See you when we get to Germany. We're gonna go to bed now? Sorry? Why not? Not gonna go to bed. We're gonna go and play. Gonna go and play?
Yeah.
Go and play, then come to bed. See you in the morning. Fast asleep, he's been asleep most of the time. Very good. Germans drive like nutters. Don't know what the speed limit for trucks are here, but definitely ain't going the speed limit. Always, never. In Finland, the truck's maximum speed is 80 kilometers an and I was going through roadworks on the autobahn down to 80 kilometers an hour, and the truck was going 100 kilometers an hour. And it kept on flashing me to speed up, even though the speed had gone down to 80 kilometers in roadworks, and the truck was just flashing the hell out of me. But I ain't breaking the law. We're now in traffic. Good morning, Calvin. So yeah, see when we get to France. Calais.
Go straight on for 20 minutes to junction 12 to M3.
So yes, and tomorrow I've got a job interview.